Do you know you can make vanilla cake without milk and it will bang and still come out fluffy and very tasty? That's what I'm about to show in this video. Please make sure you watch till the end. Vanilla cake has so many recipes. There are 1001 cake recipes out there. So don't just stick to the one you know. Try other recipes. Explore other recipes. Don't just be stuck on one particular recipe. We learn every day, you know. If it's your first time coming across my channel, welcome to Bake with Exotic Creamy. This place I teach everything about baking, pastries, and cake business in general. Please do me a favor by hitting the subscription button and also turn on your notification bell. Then give this video a like so that the algorithm will show this video to other persons and it will not flop. Please, that's your only two way of supporting what I do here. Thank you. So when it comes to baking, the kind of butter you use determines the outcome of your cake. Now, when it comes to sachet butter, I prefer to use Napa butter. Napa butter is so soft, very light to cream, and very easy to use. Like, the more you cream it, the more it rises, and the more it turns white. There are some butter you will use, they will just be yellow in color from the beginning to the end. They don't just increase in size, and they don't just turn white, like off-white the way I want. But Napa butter, I quite recommend it if you are using sachet butter. I want to know where most of my viewers are coming from. Please, my lovely viewer, where are you watching from? Which country, which state are you watching from? Please, can you drop it in the comment section for me? I want to interact with you. Which country are you watching from? Drop it for me in the comment section.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
So for this particular recipe, I'll go in with flour first. I'll start with flour and I'll end my mixing with flour. So do your own that way. So instead of using milk in this recipe, we replaced milk with water, and this cake came out so fluffy, as in very fluffy, very soft, very tasty. Oh my god, you should try out this recipe. Then leave a comment for me when you try it out in the comment section.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing. It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Our cake is out from the oven and I baked it at 180 degrees Celsius. So thank you for watching to this point. Please do me a favor by clicking the subscription button and like this video. Share with somebody that you know that loves to bake. Share with your friends. Thank you and see you in my next video.